Good. You can't park that there, mate.
Fucking wake up!
Jesus. Oh, you fucking idiots! From the right turn lane.
A few moments later.
He's on the line too. You got fun, didn't you, mate?
City. My name is Stretch Armstrong, and you're still in tune with Game Radio. What's the deal, Lord Sear?
Yo, my fault, B, yo. The two-way's crazy right now, man. Yo, these game girls is talking about doing it at the after party out here in Liberty City, y'all. You know we got something going on. Popping bottles, Don P in it, Chris Styling it, Henny thugging it. You know how we do out here, y'all.
Hi, I'm Candy, one of the sexy game girls. You can catch all of us lovely ladies doing our thing at hiphophoneys.com.
It ain't no thing but a chicken wing with a big butt laying on your lap. Game Radio, you listen to Lord Sear, who's Puerto Rican and black, having a good time, drinking the wine. Every time it's playtime over here at Game Radio, y'all. And check us out at GameCrib.com, y'all.
We're gonna keep it moving right now. Stay tuned. Game Radio. More classic games by a stranger featuring Black Rob. Check it out.
Saw me running through, gun inside the face goose. Saw what the struggle do. I mean, you act like your fake friends is loving you. They undress in front of me and I'm uncomfortable. Figure I just come to you, try to confide. But then I start thinking about the last time you lied. Movie cat, what you got to hide? What I saw burned my eyes like chloride. All I wanna know is why. I wasn't even trying to spy. Come home, dice from Bed-Stuy, all inside. Should've known. All you did was pull me down, I should've grown. Canceled the mortgage on the home. Dead to be, but bust the cellular phone. I let you roam. Now I got to leave you alone. Harsh reality is the case. Like when you spit in the wind, might come back in your face. I just came to get my no anger. You was the one kissing a stranger.
Bitch, back that ass up. You a fine motherfucker, won't you back that ass up? Call me Fat Poppy when you back that ass up. Girl, who is you playing with? Back that ass up. You know we spin bands, bitch, back that ass up.
Wishes, because Toe was like, yeah, he was you get that mask out of here, and he was like, no, I'm going on with the mask, or I'm not going on at all. And it was entirely fair, like with a broken nose, like he's in the face with the club. Yeah, it's not the first time anyone's ever gone on with a mask. No. It happened, sporadically throughout the years because people had their face busted up, but Planty. he
recording on.
And I'm going to wear it again and again and again, and it slowly changed the culture of. Sure did. So we haven't said anything for 3 minutes. Do you know why Toe Blake was called Toe Blake?
Well, because both of his parents were also called Blake.
Yes.
And by tradition, you keep the surname.
He's bang on, guys.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and he's amazing.
Say why?
He's been
time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Turn right onto Canal Road. Continue for 1 kilometer.
What the fuck was that? It was unfortunately a little bit amusing. You can't do that, mate, dickhead. Alerna, you fucking idiot.
Allowed to go in.
No, you're not.
Sleeping on the line, feeling climbing in the rocks. Been a long way down, watch it, the bottom even coming up. To get you into the see the view again, and treat the sun to stomach pop. Keep the all between the lines, stop a minute, see the signs. Pocket money on the line, keep it in mind. Turn the line above you, wanting you on the me, I see within the song. Get involved in Triple M's and kick over the Swan for your opportunity to win
$10,000. Why wouldn't you? Seriously, all you got to do is register triplem.com.au.
Lord have mercy
Hit the
on
win
us all.
page. 10k, 5 for the kicker, 5 for the club. We're all happy.
Make sure you listen to
fist. It was lying on the table, clenched, so tight, the knuckles were white. Captain Vimes, said Carrot, waving a hand in front of his eyes.
Well,
There was no response. How much does he have? 2 grips of
Where schools out and adventures are in. Now at Discovery Parks, you could win the ultimate Taylor Swift tailored experience only with Today FM's Easy Edit Erin at 8 a.m. tomorrow only on 104.1 Today FM.
She may have left the country and a lifetime of memories.
what do you want, you idiot? There's a...
Today FM's Easy Edit Erin are not quite done in Taylor Swift.
Unbelievable!
There's still one more ultimate tailored experience.
A few minutes later.
So what are you waiting for? Book your tickets online now. Points, where school holidays are made. My cat Kitty Perry's so fussy.
He's shaking his head. There's a car in fucking front of me, you fuckwit.
That's why I got her a snuffle mat.
He's still going.
Where enlightenment comes in every shape and size for little details.
Fuck you.
Get better and reach a higher level of...
Excuse me, madam.
Yes, sir.
Fuck me. How about fuck you?
Jesus Christ. Fuck me!
Oh my god! You friggin' imbecile! You just pulled out in front of us!
We got one!
With all points and
100%
stuff.
points.
Yeah, nice.
The whole thing. The only reason we paid money was there's like a minimum amount that you have to spend on your credit card to qualify for the complimentary travel insurance.
Yep.
So we paid $500. I think it was $550 on the credit card, and that qualifies us for the complimentary insurance. So, yeah, $500 for a holiday.
Nice.
But pretty happy with that. And that includes a 2-week, 2-day.
Look at this guy.
So 2-day.
I'm surprised he hasn't got. Oh, you.
Jesus.
I'm surprised he hasn't got a fucking carton in his hand as well.
Fucking hell.
Last year. Today, Julia Baird on what starts.
Probably trying to figure out what's going on.
The time is not specified, and the calculation
It's going on, and yeah, depending on how long.
was she having marital problems in hiding?
Yeah,
and people started to
that
play
would
with
happen
it
because
going
ours
on in a way
was solid
that they've given us a
stuff
statement
that-
that told us just accept that he's going.
Yeah. I loved it.
Food or?
It was fine. I don't know.
Yeah. From Pedal, Mississippi, and he's going to guess the noisy.
I wasn't even trying to spy. Come home, dice from Bed-Stuy, all inside. Should've known. All you did was pull me down. I should've grown. Canceled the mortgage on the home. Dead to be, but bust the cellular phone. I let you roam. Now I got to leave you alone. Harsh reality is the case. Like when you spit in the wind, might come back in your face. I just came to get my no anger. You was the one kissing a stranger.